Hello friends, earlier we have discussed about precedence of various operators that are present in Python. Now we will be learning about very important and interesting concept in Python, that is associativity of operators. First, we will again revise what are operators precedence, then we will understand what are operators associativity. This table, it contains precedence of various operators that are present in Python. Here the operators, they are arranged in the decreasing order of their precedence. So higher the operator, it has more precedence. When Python evaluates an expression, it will first solve the operator which has higher precedence. You will notice at the very top we have parenthesis. Parenthesis has the higher precedence than any other operator in Python. So the expression that is present inside this parenthesis, it will be evaluated first by the Python interpreter. Next we have power operator. Power is an arithmetic operator and it has higher precedence than any other arithmetic operators. Then we have various unary operators. You will notice multiplication, division, flow division and modulo, they have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. Hence, we have to first perform multiplication and division, then we can perform addition and subtraction. Then we have various operators which we have not discussed yet. At the very end, we have assignment operators. Assignment operators, they have the least precedence, so they will be evaluated at the very end of an expression. Let's solve an expression. Suppose we are adding 3 with 4 and then we are multiplying it with 5. Let's simplify it. First, if we add 3 with 4, we will get 7. Then if we multiply it with 5, we will get 35. But if we first multiply 4 with 5, we will get 20. Then if we add it with 3, we will get 23. Now which is correct? Is 35 is correct or 23 is correct? Now this is where operators precedence comes into picture. Operators precedence, it defines which operator we have to first evaluate in an expression. In this expression we have multiplication and addition. You can see multiplication has higher precedence than addition. Hence we have to first multiply. When we multiply 5 with 4, we will get 20. Then we can perform addition. If we add 3 to 20, we will get 23. Hence 23 is the correct result. Let's try to simplify this expression. Suppose this time if we are calculating 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Now if we first perform this power operation, so we will calculate 2 to the power 3, it will give us 8. Next, if we perform this power operation, which is 8 to the power 2, it will give us 64. But if we first perform this power operation, which is 3 to the power 2, it will give us 9. Next, if we perform 2 to the power 9, it will give us 512. Now you will realize if we simplify this expression from left to right side, we are getting 64. But if we simplify this expression from right side towards left side, we are getting 512. Now which is correct? Is 64 is correct or 512 is correct? This is where associativity of operators comes into picture. Associativity defines from which direction we have to evaluate an operator. We evaluate this power operator from right side towards left side. So we have to evaluate it from right side towards left side. So first we will perform this power operation and then we will perform this power operation. So 3 to the power 2, it will give us 9, and then 2 to the power 9 will give us 512. Hence 512 is the correct result. So as we discussed, associativity of operators, it decides from which direction we have to evaluate an operator. Now the power operator, it has associativity from right side towards left side, and assignment operators, they have associativity from right to left. So the power operator and assignment operators, we have to evaluate them from right side towards left side, and rest of the operators we can evaluate them from left side towards right side. Now let's perform some operations. We are calculating 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. When Python interpreter will evaluate this expression, it will first perform multiplication because multiplication has higher precedence than addition. So first we will multiply 4 with 5, we will get 20, then we will perform addition. So we will add 3 with 20, we will get 23 as a result. See, we are getting 23 as a result. Next, let's perform one more operation. This time we are calculating 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. When Python interpreter will evaluate this expression, first it will perform this power operation, then it will perform this power operation, because power operators, they have associativity from right side towards left side. So first we have to simplify the operator which is present on the right hand side. So we have to simplify this expression from right to left. So let's calculate 3 raised to the power 2, which will give us 9. Then we will calculate 2 raised to the power 9, which will give us 512. See, we are getting 512 as a result. Now when we solve an expression, when we have operators of different type, that time we consider operators precedence. But when we have operators of same type, that time we consider the associativity of operators.